Hello, my name is Justin Davis, and this is my introduction video. I am a drummer. I have been playing drums for about 15 years now. Started off in my hometown playing in church, and then when I moved to another state, I really had to step it up a lot with technique, finding my style, finding my sound, finding in it. All that was also inspired by the gear I use as well. From the cymbals to the drum kit to the drumsticks, the whole 9 yards. So with that, and then of course playing in different bands. Like one band I play with is called Black History, and another band I play with is called Slick Wicked, and then of course I play in church on a daily basis. And of course playing with those bands, we do rock out. I play hard sometimes. And then the one thing I found with drumsticks is that, the brands I would use, they would end up breaking, every 3 to 4 weeks. So of course I'm buying new drumsticks, which can, the cost of drumsticks can add up. So then I ran across Collision Drumsticks on social media and decided to give it a try. And I bought my first pack about 4 or 5 months ago, and not one stick has broken on me since. I just had one maybe 2 weeks ago split at the tip, but not one has broken on me since. And I was like, oh, this is a durable brand. I do play with the 5As, Collision Drumsticks 5As. I love them because they're lightweight, but they're also durable, and with the wood tip, just because of the style of music and the type of music I play. I do love it, and I didn't just want to jump on a bandwagon and be like, oh, I'm endorsed or anything like that. No, I actually wanted to try these sticks out, just like with the cymbals. I wanted to try them out, see if I like them, and then it was like, okay, yeah, I like these. Let me put in my application, and here I am. So the video I will be doing, the drum cover I'll be doing, is by Andy Arthur Smith. He's on Instagram. He did a video titled "I'm a Drummer," where he is beatboxing to being a drummer. And so what I'll be doing on electronic drum kit over there is mimicking his sound. Enjoy.
I mean, I play drums, so maybe just come.
Wait,
what?
You're a drummer?
Yeah.
You're a dragon good drummer?
Yes, I am.
You're a dragon good drummer? Yes, that is exactly what I am.